Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Arif Fahmi bin Zainal with metric number 1200548. My tutorial is MSc2. Today, I want to talk about the topic of relation. Firstly, for the goals, before we started discuss about the topic, we need to understand the reason why we need to know the topic specifically. For the first goal is mathematical reasoning. We need the ability to read, understand, and construct mathematical arguments and proof. Second, combinatorial analysis. We need a techniques for counting objects of different kinds. For the third one is discrete structures. We need to abstract mathematical structures that represent objects and the relations between them. A brief of introduction. A relation from one set to another can be thought as a table that lists which elements of the first set relate to which elements of the second set. An ordered pair of elements written as AB is considered distinct from the ordered pair BA, unless of course A equal to B. For example, set A and B. Set A is a domain for input elements, while set B is a domain for output elements. This is some examples that we can relate from the introduction. We have a set A which includes student name and set B which includes course subject. The relation that we can get from the table is relation of student name and course subject. From the table, we can write relations in order pair, like student's name relation with course subject. So, we can answer it just like this. This is the answer. Ahmad take the English science subject. Ahmad also take English subject. Fatin takes English subject, and Fatin also takes mathematics subject. Nabil takes science subject, and Nabil also takes mathematical subject. Zakwan takes English subject, and Zakwan also takes mathematics subject. Application relation in real life. The unique relation that I want to show is about social networking. Social networking is the use of internet based on social media to stay connected with friends, family, customers, or clients. Social networking can have a social purpose as a business purpose or both through sites such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Twitter. For example that I can relate is this. The network shows the relation between 5 Facebook friends, which includes Faiz, Shakir, Ain, Hamidah, and Johan. To understand more about the network, an arrow towards a person means that the person will receive a post on their newsfeed. For easy understanding, I will list all the relations from the network diagram. For the first one, we have Faiz. As you can see from the diagram, Faiz will receive Hamidah and Shakir posts from this arrow and this arrow. For Shakir, Shakir will receive Faiz post in this case. For the third person is Ain. Ain will receive Hamidah, Faiz and Shakir's post, which is here, here and here. For the fourth person is Hamidah. Hamidah will receive Faiz and Ain post, which is here and here. And the last person is Johan. Johan will receive Hamidah and Faiz post, which is here and here. From the diagram, we can label it to a set, which is X. We took all the 5 names, which is Ain, Hamidah, Faiz, Johan, and Shakir. The relations that I want to show you is R, which is friends with. So the relation will be X with X relation to R with friends. So in ordered pair, the relation that I get from the diagram is Faiz friends with Ain, Faiz friends with Shakir, Faiz friends with Hamidah, Faiz friends with Johan, Shakir friends with Faiz, Shakir friends with Ain, Ain friends with Hamidah, Hamidah friends with Johan, and Hamidah friends with Faiz. For the conclusion part, as general term, relation topics are a common knowledge that people should learn to understand better from our surrounding. From the examples that have been given, we know that relation has many applications that very related to our lives. As a computer science major student like me, I need to improve and learn more about relation to make sure that I understand well around my situation that always been related to something. We should always try to understand and learn better about it to ensure that our problem life can be solved. This is the reference section that I have used to make the slide. I hope that my explanation will help you understand and learn more better about the topic of relation in discrete maths. Thank you for listening to my explanation and see you again.